Simfros Okinda, Ramogi TV.
Gavana Wanga kod nyawadgi mabusi Otuomo dwaro ni jatenda piny Kenya William Ruto kod ogai marazimio la umoja One Kenya Alliance Raila Odinga oket dwach jopiny mbele twak margi. Kane gilose skul sekondar Maseka mayudre kar chung od bura makarachonyo, jotelogo wacho ni jopiny osebedo ka hinyore makoro nyaka migi thuolo mar yudo fungruok kaluwore gi twak ma ichanono. Kama e kaka ne giloso.
Let us reason together. We have got a lot of problems in this country, but we also have got a lot of opportunities in this country. We should not be divided. Issues that divide us can be discussed. People can talk to each other. And they have shown that by postponing the mandamanos, which were supposed to be there on Monday, by saying, come and let us reason together. So I also want to urge the leaders, those of us who are both in Azimio and the other side of Kenya Kwanza, please let us support our leaders in this good gesture they have shown to bring the country together so that we have amicable solutions to some of the problems that are bedeviling us.
So we want to hope that as this dialogue begins, it begins with clean hands, it begins in good faith, so that all the issues that have been raised by us in the Azimio side and the issues that Kenya Kwanza side may have can be put on the table, discussed openly, discussed with an open mind, discussed with honesty, so that we can be sure that after this process, we will have a lasting solution to our electoral system, to issues of the cost of living, and the issues that have bedeviled us as a nation this far.
Johala manoyudo lal kaluwore gi tulo kod